Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Edge wallet account properly. So let's get started. First, it's important to know in Edge wallet, your account is your encrypted data, meaning Edge does not store your personal information. So when you delete your account, you're essentially deleting your encrypted data. So first, open your Edge wallet app. Log into your account if you are not already. Let me enter my PIN of the wallet. Once you're on the home page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu and go to settings. So here, to unlock the account settings section, you will be asked to confirm your password. Just tap anywhere and enter your password. Once done, hit submit. Now here you will see an option called delete account. Tap it. Read the information given very carefully and tap on I understand and agree to the terms. Then confirm and finish. And here you'll be asked to enter your username. Once done, tap delete. As you can see, your account Labiolisa has been deleted. It's important to know that once deleted, you cannot recover your wallet or funds. So make sure you have backed up everything you need. And that's it. You have now deleted your Edge wallet account successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.